out off and on from the YouTube. I only talk around the motives. I read motives behind what people are saying, and I analyze from that point. The two people I want to address my fellow newcomers, because someone that is Methuselah in the struggle is, you people will not emotionally blackmail us. Everyone that is well-meaning, that wants good governance, that wants the well-being, the health of his or her people, can seek help from different angles. When you find the truth, you stick by the truth. Some of these people that are called that are Methuselahs, some, I'm not saying all, are the major problem in the liberation and the freedom of our people. So this emotional blackmail will not work. So get it from the beginning. When you come here to ask Mazekai, how if you people were doing well, why is it that we have not gotten this independence redeclaration? Now we got the redeclaration. All the I think this I should call them better name. These kiosk setters, call them
put their own kiosk.
I added chronic. Rainbow chronic agitators. You fall back, you headlong, you see RC, everything is boiled down on going backward. Because you people you can't stand freedom. You were not advocating for freedom. You were not advocating for the independence of the people. You are not. You're comfortable with where you grab it, snatch it, run away with it, after people have worked so hard. All of you people are falling as back as autopilot. Some are falling oblivion. Now I told you people, I told you people they will fall into oblivion. Have you heard that they say they have disappeared? Don't disappear. Because this voice, unless you don't want to say anything, don't tell me you are falling into oblivion and you are for men on ground. And that brings me to someone that said, oh, our deputy prime minister wasn't working with whatever men on ground. Now, that woman, that is to show you, it's good to, when you have brain, use your brain. No. Don't let anybody use your brain for you. That woman
Draken, shut up your mouth.
Carefully, not tomorrow now. They will say when trouble starts. When you go underground, you do whatever. You cannot account for her. You will not tell the people you're not. Oh, when trouble, you're collecting from 3-4 places. You're working for Jack, Jill, Tom, everywhere. Your hand is everywhere. The woman said, for my own, we have a government now. If you want to work for the government, come align with yourself with the principles and standards of the government. For those of you that are new, there are policies. A lot was set up for this government. So if you don't want to respect the government, and you want to still protect the people, all she is saying is, you can do whatever you want, but don't touch the people. Don't jeopardize the government. And now that it is clear, and she has made it clear, nobody will come tomorrow and start asking her question about Jack and Jill. Is Jack and Jill in the government? Is it following the principles of the government? And she said it, that she doesn't have anything against anybody. Just make sure you are not jeopardizing the government, and you're not working against the people, and you're not joining the people that want to buy us. That is clear. So all of these people that I don't know, you see, the major problem we have is people that are emotionally unstable. And those that prey on the emotionally unstable people, those that follow the noise. So, finally, I want to bring up something else. This platform and a lot, I told you I have my list. A lot of media warriors are doing due diligence, and that is educate our people to debunk lies, to make sure truth is defended. And a lot are making research. There is one of our brothers. Please, I don't tell you I respect people. I respect what they do, because some people, when you call respect these days, I don't know what happened to these people. You now see people bloating like this thing. The next thing they bust and Casablanca. You don't even know what to call them. But what I'm saying is, people are doing a lot of good jobs, and we commend them for that. We have a government now. Please let us get it clear. And that government, one of those research is that countries like Bangladesh is one of the latest countries that have their independence. They declare their independence even while their leaders are being held. That is why I challenge all these ones that have fallen into oblivion, that are waiting for their leader. When the same reason why they are held is because they wanted to declare our independence. That is why up to today, all of them that have been like Methuselah, you people didn't hear when you people were fighting Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. He said he's going to make holding Mazin Nnamdi Kanu in the dungeon useless, because the reason why they held him was because he wanted the independence of his people, and they didn't want him to do it. Mazin Nnamdi Kanu said, whosoever that have what it takes to get us free, to get redeclare Biafra, do it. Now our honorable DPM did it, and you say you're fighting now. You see how your life be. All these Methuselah people, arrest it there. Let me let others. And let me just finish this. After Bangladesh, another is this owner Finland that people are respecting. They say when Finland was seeking its own independence, Finland had the pro-Finland freedom and those that are pro-Russia. What are we having today? The same thing. So it is the same thing happening. But if you don't have intelligence, you won't know that the people that are fighting Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Ngozi Orekweze are people that are like the pro-Russia for Finland. And we are here watching. We don't deal. Mazikai, thank you so much for your platform for us to educate ourselves and move forward.
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. Thank you. I really appreciate. Oh, I moved my mic. Excuse me. Sorry, I forgot that I moved my mic. I was even saying something. Thank you so much, Madam Origin. God bless you. I really appreciate you. Let's move straight to